What is up? I got the Porky Pig hanging with me. Porky Pig, bark, bark, bark. Oh, I love my Porky. Porker. Porky, Porky, Porky. Oh, sorry for the dog intro, guys, but I just love my dog so much. I'm here to talk to you about sprockets. Cogs and sprockets and gears. And I don't drink beers anymore, but... So, I got a 530 chain. This is a 2023 model here, okay? We've got ourselves a 2023, okay? 2023. So, it had this little baby on there. And wow, look at how recessed it is. That means it's weak in my mind. We're on recess. 12 tooth 530. And they had it this way so you couldn't read it, which was annoying as crap. They should have had it that way, but maybe they didn't want to show you that it's like kind of wimpy. I'm sure they don't care about that. So I ordered a 15 tooth, and I don't think a 15 tooth will fit, but I got the 14 tooth on, okay? Okay. Now, I'm worried about your flare, okay? So, yeah, you're going to have to express more flare. Well, you know what? With your flare. Just kidding. Sorry, I totally went into, like, some sort of mode. But, anyways. So, the way I'm looking at, and this is my sidler here. I mean, Pork, look, she just gets in the shot. See, that's why I'm telling you, I love this dog. She's just the best. I love you, Porky. So let's get back to the program here. I couldn't find a 13 tooth. Moto Cheese said 13 tooth would be all that fits on here. And so I ordered a 14 and a 15 because I wanted a 15 for top speed. Now, I thought I was going to be using this as a dual sport enduro. But I got that sweet little baby out there. That's going to be my dirt rider, and this is going to be my street rider. So now this is, I'll go off into the dirt a little with this, but if you hit a little sand, man, that front tire wants to just go, Okay, sorry. So basically I want top speed on this now because I'm sure this will be nice on the highway. It would go like, let's see, I think I hit 55. I can't remember because I wasn't trying to go too crazy. And I didn't believe in the speedometer, the stock one. And once I got this digitometer, it did a little bit better. I got it. Actually, it was perfect. I did a speed on my GPS, and I matched it. It was dead perfect. So I think I hit 55 though. It may go faster with the 12, with the little mini 12er, but I got a 14 on there now. My guess is I'll be hitting 60 easy. I don't know. I'll put it in the end of this video. I'm not going to ride with the camera and show you guys because that's just, I don't have a GoPro and it's not my style to be holding my phone while I'm going 60. On a motorcycle, that sounds really stupid. So especially trying to film for you guys, that just sounds awesome to crash, trying to show you guys how fast it goes. So what I'm trying to get to here, though, is that I ordered a new chain. It's not here yet, but this thing barely fit on. Honestly, I was going to make a video without showing you all this crap until this happened. I had to pry it over like this to get it to pop on there. So it put tension on the chain is too tight, but I'm going to test out the speed and see how it rides. I do have a new chain coming. I know that's too tight, but I basically wanted to see if the sprocket hit here. Now, another reason why I'm making this video, another reason, is this doesn't fit back on. Pardon me, I had to itch my nose with my, I got a camera in one hand and a piece of motorcycle stuff in the other. So this doesn't fit over it now, though, only because, like, whoa, dog decided to get up. Porky, it's okay. Dang. She must have seen some vermin. I mean, she is just sidling me, you guys. Just sidling. I love you, honey. I'm sorry. So I had to, I'm going to have to, cut. I'm just going to cut this because it just hides back in there. So I'm going to chop a little piece out of there. And basically I'll get that back fit on there. So I have a cover there. I just want a cover. It doesn't have to, I don't care about this little thing here. I'll cut that out. And basically I'll do a little editing, magic editing. And so what I'm trying to tell you is after I get all that done, we'll be back. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, quotes. So we're back. And that's what I cut out. It took me 2 shots because the first time I cut out this one, and it was not enough. Ooh, that's hotter than shit. I cut that one out, and then this is this video is not meant for children, guys. Shit. So this video is rated I for immature. So yeah, but you see what's going on then, right, guys? Cut that out. You could see how far. That's what you're going to have to do if you have my chain. And then it fits on. I don't know if I'll be able to hold it up there. Oh, I put it on backwards. There we go, see? And I could feel it move a little like that, so that's good. That means the chain ain't going to rub on it. So basically, we're going to spank this baby back on there. Yeah, we're going to go like this. We're going to go like this. That sprocket was not Loctited on. Loctited. I didn't actually Loctite it either because I got to take it back off. I'm going to put a new chain on, guys, as you know, because this is too tight. And it is jammed all the way forward as far as you can go. I actually pried this like this. I Richard Pryored it. I'll tell you guys what, man. So I Richard Pryored it. And that's as far as it goes. So I'm going to have to put a new chain on. So that's just the way it's going to go. These are 8 millis. 8 milli, 8 milli, 8 milli here, 8 milli there. I'm damn 8 millionaire. So I don't know where my 8 is, though. I got a 10 here. Oh, there's my 8 milli, 8 milli, 8 milli. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do everything. You know, the one-handed. Oh, that's why they did them, I bet, is because you could relieve a socket with one hand and put it on with one hand. It's the one-hand socket, man. You know, everything's on camera, guys, right? Everything's on camera. And I got this thing off because, you know, if you leave your bike out in the cold and you don't ride it much, it will ruin your battery. Oh, ruin your battery. Excuse me. I for immature, I warned you. So I have another video I'm going to make on an invention I have that really needs to be made for batteries. So I'm just going to hush on that one. But, you know, I'm gonna do a video on my inventions that have never been produced. That way someone can produce them because I don't have the money. I'm just an average dude. They don't let average dudes that don't have money invent things. You know, you'd have to have investors, and average people don't get investors. So, all right, we're done there now. Okay. And I'm going to go take a ride, and we'll be back. Whoa! Oh, I'm going through a tunnel. We'll be back. And we're back, folks. More moto meat. Shall we chew the fat on this issue also? So, the chain didn't do this right here. I hit it with the grinder. But it was nubbing into here. So, there's no structural, nothing. It's just some crap. Total BS. So, I ground into that. Okay, folks? Okay. Sorry about the lighting there. So I'll let you know how that goes on the next ride, but that was grinding away. So we'll be back. And we're back. So, lasering the temperature, it says 250. Exhaust is 400 or so. Whoa, 420. Ooh, baby, she's tinging. I was just going 70 miles an hour, you guys. Sweet baby will hit 70. So, she's tinging good. I wonder if that's exhaust. I'm sure it is. It's tinging good, though. See, 294, that's pretty hot. So I got an oil cooler coming, guys, because that's too hot. You know what I'm saying? And I don't think I'm running lean. I'll check my spark plug, but she was just gunning hard. 424 right here. You guys need one of these infrared thermometers. I've told you that in one of my previous videos. I'm pretty sure this is what's tinging here, you know, the exhaust. But it's pretty hot. I mean, that's pretty hot. So I got an oil cooler coming, and it's going to be pretty special. I'll do a video on that also. So okay, I hit 60 in fourth. What the hell? There's a bird shit on my seat. Okay. So I hit 60 in fourth, and it was about 8,000 RPM. And oddly, it doesn't vibrate as much when it has this sprocket on. Don't ask me why. The bike seems to vibrate less. And, you know, there's not tons of power in fifth, but I was going up a hill on my way home, and it's 45 mile an hour speed limit at that point. It would pull going up the hill. So, I bet it's that exhaust too. That feels warm. 230, 250, 190. You guys need one of these guns. I'm not kidding. The head is still 230. The head normally only got to 225 or something, but that's kind of the most I've pushed it. I've got about 100 miles on it now. 220. I mean, it's warm. I'm not farting around with you guys. It's warm. Saying, Ricky? And this is what you should do. The reason why I'm doing this is now I'm on the exhaust right at the head again, and it's cooled down. That's that pinging, I'm sure. The reason why I'm doing this for you guys also with this laser gun is because I'm going to be putting an oil cooler on here, and then I'll go do the same test. But so far as the eye can see, she's really nice. Now, inside of the case, there was a little bit of wear, like I told you, and there was just a tiny bit of wear on the inner edge of the case. But now there's no more crap on the chain, as you could see. There's no aluminum. There's no sounds. Once I did that last trimming on the third little chunk of this video, where I told you that I heard a sound and it was scraping, it was this cover. On the inside, it barely scrapes a little off, but it's not going to damage anything. And the chain is buck fucking tight here, boys. Like I told you, that's way too tight. You know, you guys could tell me if I was a dumbass for going 70 with the chain that tight. I don't know. But it was just a test. It was all for you. It was all for science. So the new chain's coming, a new 530, and I'll put that on, and we'll just hope that, wow, I had my Colorado license renewal notice in my pocket. Glad that didn't fly out when I was doing 70 and didn't notice. Oh, yeah. So I got some bolts and nuts from boltsandnuts.com. I'm going to put this sticker on my bike because I like boltsandnuts.com. That thing's going to go here. Oh, bolts and nuts. Maybe I should, put her upside down. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Cletus, bolts, Cletus, you know. I'm an American. I bought a Chinese motorcycle, but I'm going to put a flag on it. You know, I got to put a flag on it. I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'll put this here. Who knows what I'll do? Maybe I'll put it, yeah, I'll probably put it over that little scratch there. That scratch happened from peeling off the sticker. So maybe I'll put some boltsandnuts.com right there. That kind of looks right. What do you guys think? Okay. All right, enough with the stickers. But basically, a 14 tooth is as big as you're going to get. You could do a 13 maybe with no mods. I don't know. You're going to have to ask the guy that did the 13 tooth if you could find it. I couldn't find one. I'm sure you can. I couldn't. I didn't look that hard either, though. I actually bought the 14 and the 15 before Vin Cheezel told me that that's all that would fit. So what we're going to do, I was checking out, making sure the dog wasn't running away from me. She's up on the porch there. She's not even supposed to be on the porch. Porky! Pork! Come on, Pork. She's not supposed to be up there. There she is. Pork! She's such a good girl. She's coming. She's a con. Pork! Sweet barbecue porky sandwich. She's so good, though. You guys love them doggies tight. Hug them tight. They need you. This porker's sitting outside waiting for me on my trips. I love her. What a good little girl. She's the star of the show. I'm going to give her a big old hug and kiss. I'm coming to hug you, Porky. Do you want to go inside? Here, do you want to go inside? I love you, Porky. You're the star of today's show. She's the star of the show today. We love her, don't we? Let's go inside, Pork. I'll end the video here, guys. But 14 tooth does real good. And that's all I got to say. Okay? Word 'em up.
Been naughty or nice?